Good day guys! Our topic for today is about prime factorization. First is ano nga ba yung prime factorization? Yung prime factorization is yung breaking down yung number natin into its prime factors. Yung tinatawag nating prime factor is yung the only factors is 1 and itself. Which is when yung mga prime numbers natin, kapag minultiply siya together, mga prime factors, is mag-equal siya dun sa original number. Para mas maunawaan pa natin or magets is, here are our examples. Yung example number 1 natin is, gagamitin natin yung prime factorization sa 16. So, kapag nano mo 16, anong factors na 16? Ang ano natin is 4. Diba ang 4 is may another factor pa? Which is yung 2 times 2. And also itong isang 4. Matatawag nating prime factor na ba itong 2? Yes, prime factor na siya. Since yung 2 is, ang multiply natin na lang to get 2 is 1 in itself. Therefore, these are the prime factors. Therefore, ang mga prime factors natin is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 to get 16. These are the prime factors. How about example number 2? Example number 2 is, ang hahanapin natin is 90. Anong naiisip nyo kung ano ang factors ng 90 to get 90? Sa akin is, ang naisip ko agad is 3 times 30. Sa iba is, pwede ring 15 times 6, But, same lang yung makukuha natin doon ng mga prime factors. Kahit magkaiba tayo ng pinag-start na dalawang factors. Next is, ang 3. What do you think ang 3? Prime factor na ba siya? Yes, since yung 3 is, ang factors na sunod niya is by multiplying 1 in itself. Next is sa 30 naman. Yes, at 30 ay meron pang factors. Factors na 2 and 15. Ang 2 is prime factor na siya. How about 15 naman? Sa 15 is may mga factor pa tayo. Is 3 times 5. Prime factor na ba ang 3? Yes. And ang 5, may factors pa ba ang 5? Wala na. Therefore, these are the prime factors. 3, 2, 3, and 5. The check is mag-i-equal siya sa 90. Last example is example number 3. Example number 3 is ang hanapin natin is 66. Ano ang factors ng 66? 2 and 33. Tama. Then, may factors pa ba ang 2? Wala na. Therefore, this is one of the prime factors. How about 33? Meron pa, which is 3 times 11. Yung 3 natin is prime factor na siya. How about 11? 11, prime factor natin. Since wala na tayong factors to get 11 except yung 1 and itself. Therefore, ano mga prime factors natin? Ang mga prime factors natin is 2, 3, and 11. To check is dapat equal siya sa 66. Yan. Ganon yung pag-a-apply ng prime factorization. Yun lang, I hope is may natutunan kayo for today's video. And thank you for watching and see you on our next tutorial. Our next tutorial is about finding the GCF, which is magagamit natin yung method ng prime factorization.